Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to check out your energies for the month of July 2021. We'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, and we will see at the end of the reading, we will check out some cards for you as an advice from the universe. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's get started with your reading now for my Geminis 2021 July. Geminis, July 2021. Okay. So the obstacles for you this month is the 10 of Pentacles, and at the back of the reading back of the deck we have the 9 of Wands, and the hidden energies are Knight of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the 10 of Pentacles now. So this is as an obstacle. We are really getting the energy where, this can be a family member who is becoming an obstacle in your life or around you. This can be a family, whole family. This can be anything. Okay, so it's like I'm really getting finances as well, because you have been always getting money like here and there. You have always received money, you have the money, but somewhere now you are feeling for some finances as well. Start saving. So that is the advice from this card, because this has come up in the obstacle. So saving is very important for you this month. Try to save money, try to be more financially okay, at least if you are getting that problem in terms of money. And yeah, for some of you I'm also getting a problem with marriage with you are dealing with. We will clarify that more. Okay, so the overall energy for the reading is the 9 of Wands. So this is a strong blocking energy. So you could have blocked somebody, or you have somebody has blocked you, and there is a energy where you do not want to talk to this person, and there is a strong holding on as well, because what is hidden in the reading, in the situation, is the Knight of Pentacles with the 4 of Pentacles. You are trying to just be silent about the situation. I'm not going to do anything. You are really waiting for this person to contact you, or it's more of a situation where you are doing nothing and you are done with everything. Basically you are done, because you have done a lot. Every time you try to talk to this person, there were always fights and arguments in the situation, and you are just done with those things. This could have been a marriage related thing. You have already been married to this person. This was a strong relationship, like 3 to 4 years of relationship as well for some of you. But yes, there is like everything is just happening because this is more about the other person's energy, because that is what is hidden from you. So they are not investing any time and energy in this relationship anymore, and that is what is making you feel very sad. And it's like, no, I cannot invest my energies as well. So in the past we have the 5 of Wands, 2 of Swords and 9 of Pentacles. So there might have been a fight with you and your person, and because of that fight, it was a small argument which actually came in a very big fight, and because of that, strong confusion energy started coming up in between both of you, like whether we will be able to live with each other or not, we should take any decision. You have come up in that point. Somebody was trying to manipulate the situation as well. Somebody else might be a family member, so that is why the obstacle is coming up in the family. So this can be a family member around you, a strong mother, father energies, anyone. Okay, and that is why you are really feeling that at that point you are really feeling that everything is just finished, everything is just over, and you are really, because with the 9 of Pentacles, I'm really getting those single energies that somebody else is happy because of your loss. I'm really getting that energy. In the present we have 7 of Cups, King of Wands and Strength. I really just, in this card I just got to see this snake which is coming up. So I don't know, I just saw the snake all of a sudden, so that is why I'm saying, because the things were really, how is a snake? So snake is a reptile, and that is very dangerous. And you know, the venom of the snake is like, you know, all the negative energies are really getting up in this reading more than positive, because you were investing all the time and energy, but you didn't see that coming, that happening with you. So now it's like you are doing nothing, because this person is also doing nothing. You are still in that confusion energy, what to do, where to go, where shall I what shall we take a divorce for those who are already married, or shall we separate? Okay, so this is a strong decision making time. I don't think so that you have already taken any decision yet. You are still in the process of taking a decision, because of you need to analyze more, I think. Okay, so in the coming future we have the 3 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, and the Page of Wands. There is a strong bonding with you and this person, in a sense where somebody, if I don't think so that somebody will involve in this situation anymore. Whatever the bad has been done, it has been done. So there's a possibility of you both collaborating again and talking again. There's a possibility. Okay, we are going to clarify this reading, what exactly it is. Okay, so let's see, let's clarify. Not shuffling. Yeah, one more. Okay, so tell me more about the 10 of Pentacles in the obstacle. Tell me more about the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, 5 of Wands with the 5 of Cups and the 2 of Cups. So strong arguments and people getting involved. So I'm really getting there are more than 2 to 3 people involved in this thing, in this situation, where it shouldn't be. If this was a situation between 2 people only, so the more people who have entered in this situation, they actually made worse. The situation has become really worse. And you know, it's like more of the things which we are seeing are negative sides than the positive. So you both have even started taking the negative sides. It was a very beautiful 2 of Cups. See, this is why I'm saying, because we are seeing the 3 of Cups which are already spilled, and we are not even seeing these 2 of Cups which are these are not filled, these are split, and these are filled with water, with anything. Okay, the emotions are there. 2 of Cups, see, this strong soulmate energy is still there, but you're not able to see that thing. Okay, so it can be, so you can take this thing, you can make this thing in a very beautiful manner, because there was a beautiful, you know, it was a loyal relationship, to be very honest. It was a good relationship, but when we start listening to other people, things become really harsh. Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the 9 of Wands. You do not even are ready to listen to each other right now. You both have blocked each other. You both have just blocked the conversation for some time. Like, I'm not going to talk. Whenever you talk, it's always an argument, and it always, that argument just turns into a big fight. Tell me more about the 9 of Wands, please. Ten of Swords, 9 of Swords, and the Death. Okay, yeah, the endings. Okay, not seeing things clearly at all. You both are at a place where you both might be in the depressive, you know, strong anxiety issues coming up during nights even. So you are at that place, and the ending is close. You have both decided that I am going to end this, from both of your sides. That is what I'm getting. You are not able to see the positive situation, the positive things between you at all. It was good, actually. You have started thinking about yourselves, you know, more in a more selfish way, that me, myself, and I, both of you, I'm really getting that energy. Why the Two of Swords has come up in the past energies? Tell me more about the Two of Swords, please. Queen of Swords, the Fool, and the Eight of Pentacles. I think there was a situation where you tried to figure out, okay, you tried to talk, but that talk was like all of a sudden, it was like, oh my god, what happened? It started more, as I told you, whenever you have a conversation, it turns into an argument, and that argument turns into the fight. So that is why you both are not ready to listen to anyone. Basically not each other. You are listening to other people more than each other, and that is why the things are happening. Like, where am I in the jigsaw puzzle? What I'm doing? Okay, you are there, but you do not know, basically. Tell me more about the Nine of Pentacles in the past energies. Okay, so the Magician, Seven of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. So whosoever this person is, this is not either of you. This is a third person who is trying to make things very ugly, and this person can be a mother or father, strong mother, and strong female energies are coming up. It can be a sister as well, but yeah, this person is more happy to see you both like separated. That is what I'm getting. All right, so let's see. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups in the present energies. What is this confusion about? So we have Four of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Justice. I think you two have taken this thing into the court for those people who are dealing with a divorce or a marriage separation, but still, or thinking to take this into a court situation. Because I already told you that the decision has not been made yet, but with the Four of Swords and the Hanged Man, this is like you are in that hanging situation where you are trying, because you want to take things, you want to change your perspective about the situation. There is a need of the perspective changed, because the people around you are trying to focus on the separation more than than being together. So that is why they are trying to make you think about the court thing, like just take it to the court and you need to take some decision really fast, something like that. But you are not ready. You are still wanting to be perfect. Like, I do not want to take any decision right now. Just let me be alone. But people around you, they are not letting it to happen. Okay, so why the Three of Pentacles is here in the coming future? Tell me more about the Three of Pentacles. We have the King of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Chariot. Okay, so I think that this guard which you have already, which is in front of you, that guard, you're going to pull that guard, and you're going to talk it out again. You're going to give it one more chance, either you or your person, whosoever this is. But yes, there is definitely one last talk, and to finalize the situation, whatever this takes, and that is actually needed, because the situation is not so bad as it is looking. Okay, so what is needed, what is the advice from the tarot is this only, that you should talk it out once, at least talk once, give it one more chance. Why the Page of Wands is here? Tell me more about the Page of Wands in the future energies. Page of Wands clarified by Page of Wands, Six of Wands, and the Five of Swords. Yeah, this is more of a bad people's energy. This is more of a manipulation energy rather than the same energy. So you just need to take it in a temporary way. Do not make it to a very higher level. Just take it in a way like, okay, this was a fight, let's talk it out. Okay, that is the thing which is coming up in the cards. Let me just gather some advice for you from the universe. What is the advice for my Geminis from the universe in this situation? Yeah, so the cards are the World, Five of Swords, and the Lovers. Yes, so stop listening. First of all, stop listening to other people's messages, to other people's words, whatever the other person is trying to tell you in regards with this situation, because this involves only two people. Do not try to make other people come up and try to talk about the situation, just because if you are feeling that if this process is ending, so there's a new start, there can be a new start in the same thing again. Okay, if you are thinking so, the Lover's energy is telling me that there is still a need to talk it out, because the love is still there. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Geminis. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.